Hello, beautiful people. How are you, my esteemed viewers, my royal and even loyal subscribers, wherever you're watching from this beautiful evening? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tendemaro Vlogs. To my returning subscribers, a big thank you, guys, for finding time to come watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. If you are new here, consider to hit that subscription button, not even forgetting the notification bell, my people, to alert you whenever I upload a new video. Beautiful people, I know you're wondering what's up. Where are you? Guys, sadly, my stay in Mombasa or in the coastal part of Kenya has come to an end. I have to leave immediately because I need to attend. I have an emergency call to my next destination. That's why I'm tagging you along, guys. You can't see my face. I'm tagging you along as we drive to catch up with my train. My train is leaving at around 3 p.m. Kenya East African time, and here I am. I have to catch up with it, and I'm going to take 6 hours from Mombasa to wherever I'm heading to. So I decided, why not tag you along, guys, so that you can have a scenic drive. We can have a scenic drive together. You can watch how beautiful the roads in the coastal parts are. You can also have a look at the overview of the ocean from the main roads. So keep on watching, comment, like and share. Keep me company. So give your honest opinion about the hustle and tussle of boarding this kind of means of boarding a train. That's why I'm tagging you along. I have to hey, my goodness, I have to make sure I am at my destination. My departure time is 3 p.m. So I have to be there by 2:30 p.m. Time is so much spent because I was stuck in the jam. There is a long queue of vehicles, but I thank the Lord I've managed. So let's go together so that we can go and see what we can and what to do. In some places I won't record because we are not allowed, but where I am allowed to record, I will give you a sneak preview. So watch, comment, like and share, guys, and give me your opinion about my coastal vlogs.